Read English newspaper. Rename India Gate as Bharat Mata Dwar. BJP Minority Wing. Bharatiya Janata Party Minority Wing National President Jamal Siddiqui has written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting the renaming of the icon India Gate as Bharat Mata Dwar. Siddiqui said that under PM Modi's leadership, the spirit of patriotism and dedication towards Indian culture has grown immensely among the people. In his letter, Siddiqui highlighted several initiatives undertaken during PM Modi tenure that aim to heal wounds inflicted during the colonial era and strengthen Indian cultural identity. The way wounds inflicted by the Mughal invaders and plundering British have been healed and the stains of colonialism have been wiped clean during your tenure has brought joy across the nation, he said. You renamed the road previously named after the cruel Mughal Aurangzeb to APJ Abdul Kalam Road, replaced the statue of King George V at India Gate with a statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and linked Indian culture by renaming Rajpath to Kartavya Path. The BJP leader added. Jalam Siddiqui asserted that renaming India Gate to Bharat Mata Dwar would serve as a tribute to the people whose names are inscribed on its pillar. In the same spirit, I humbly request you to consider renaming India Gate to Bharat Mata Dwar. Renaming India Gate to Bharat Mata Dwar would serve as a true tribute to the thousands of patriotic martyrs whose names are inscribed on its pillar. I earnestly request you to kindly consider my proposal and rename it Bharat Mata Dwar. The BJP Minority Morcha chief said in 2022, PM Modi inaugurated the renamed Kartavya Path, replacing the colonial name Kingway. During the inauguration, PM Modi said a new era has begun in the form of Kartavya Path, symbol of colonialism. Kingsway will be history and has been erased forever. I congratulate all the people of the country as we come out from another symbol of colonialism. He said the Rajpath was for the British Raj to whom the people of India were slaves. Rajpath was also a symbol of slavery and its structure was also a symbol of slavery. Today, its architecture has also changed and its speech has also changed. PM had said during the event. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.